hate it. No man, something stink like a shit, brother. Would you rather sleep with your sister's boyfriend or go back to your ex? Which one of my sister them answer? Cause baby girl. What's up guys, what's poppin', what's not stopping? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, me I gonna do the video my accent up on my Instagram and also up on my YouTube. Say comment some would you rather questions and I'm answer them and y'all did it. So we just gonna go straight into the video. Some of the questions I'm very interested, while some of them just nasty, like real nasty. I'm gonna skip all the way over them nasty one there. But before we get in the video guys, smash the subscribe button if you're new, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, follow me on my Instagram, links gonna be down in the description and also on the screen. Okay, share my video and tell a friend, tell her ex-boyfriend, tell her man, tell her cousin and her auntie if you come subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, we're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. We try to reach that before me done, so just share, get people for comment and get people for like our video because we a family. So once my video I food the video. Okay, so do that real quick and come see if my answer phone questions. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do like I would do before. I'm gonna just call out the name. But now go put the text on the screen because that's a whole heap of editing, and as you can see I even know because the lighting different I'm kinda rush. So me I gonna just read it off of this and call it to the name guys. So and another thing, the phone light I shine in my eyes so my audio can see the text them, so no, just bear with me, okay? Just bear with me. So we just like go straight to it. The first person, come on, let me forget like I have to like I can't see. Hold on guys. Yeah guys, so I did have to turn that. Right now my eyes still all I see them. You know them look up peony while something when people licking their head and they just drop down and I see that that messy right now. But anyways, I know that's not coming for. Okay, so Kayla Thomas say, would you rather know you're gonna die or don't know? First of all, for most I don't know, death are my biggest fear. I'm afraid for dead and them someday. So oh my god. Would I rather? I don't think would I want. No. Because then that would have been more scary if you know say alright, you know say I go dead tomorrow, so do all the way you need to do from today. Or maybe mother want to forgot apologize to all of the people them when I like and for all the people them when I like me or something. But then you would have attack you would know say I go dead. No, mood one, and that's why life is like this. You don't know when you go dead because that's a sad thing guys. So mood one. Okay, Shawna writes say, would you rather be poor with I guess she said Shawna writes say, would you rather be poor with lots of good friends or rich and all alone? First of all, me hate being lonely, right? Me hate being lonely. I wouldn't want to be poor either. Would I rather be rich? Would I rather be rich and be alone? But then that would have been depressing. But I don't want to be poor either. Ugh. Would I want to be rich? Would I rather be wealthy? Yeah, because we don't do poor. Would I rather be wealthy? Yes, so Shawna right again. So would you rather doing it with your cousin or be the one to end a relationship with your true love? So she basically said, would you rather do it with your cousin or be the one to end a good relationship with your true love? So first of all, you never say if a close cousin or if a far cousin wouldn't really know each other. So no, I'm gonna do it with my cousin. That's a blood. I don't want to have no handicap pitney. I don't want to have no handicap. You know, so them say cousin and cousin boy are good soup, but really actually the soup not good because if you sleep with a cousin then you're gonna do things. You're gonna have a handicap pitney and then the pitney gonna become special because I'm retarded. So I don't would want to do that. But I'd rather end the relationship with my true love and then try to get him back. Yeah, would I do that? Okay. So, Macy's TV say, would you rather lose the ability to lie or believe everything people say? Okay, so would I rather lose the ability to lie, because I know everything people say I'm gonna believe. Moreover, people will say yo, you're ugly or you're fat or you're this or you're that, when really and truly that not go so if you keep on believe everything with them, so that just like mess with them mentally. Okay, so would I rather lose the ability to lie? Me really not really lie to that, you know, unless me know more sneak out. I tell a lie, but for true. Anyways, even though I'm big, you know, me just say, alright, when me the younger, but no, I can't go anywhere more. So would I rather lose the ability to lie. Okay, so Donna Radney say, would you rather drop your phone off a building or drop the dog off the building? No, I'm not that cruel to the dog. The dog is a living thing. The phone is not a living thing. You can always buy another phone. Okay, so I will not drop the dog off the building. No, I'm not that cruel or wicked. As much as I'm afraid of dog, I would do that. Latasha Clark said, would you rather die or be a lesbian? First of all, I ain't no girl going to tell me say them love me. Okay? So, I'm not going to be a lesbian. Moreover, I'm not ramp with goddamn serious with the goods. I'm not ramp with goddamn serious with them. I'm not love woman. I don't. So, everybody has to die one day. So, I got to go that route. Okay, so Shade Pierce said, would you rather prison your ex or kill your ex? Would I rather prison him? Simple thing, but I rather prison him. At least him still have life, you know? So he can continue to be my ex. And still me do good and stuff like that. So I would rather prison him. Oh my god. What's your name? I don't know if I pronounce her name, but her last name is Blake. You must know yourself. Her first name starts with T. And her last name is Blake. She said, would you rather stay in the ghetto and struggle with your mother, or go live in the city where it's better and leave her alone? Oh my gosh. First of all, I would stay in the ghetto and struggle. But I make it out, go in the city, you know, live a better life, work some money, take my mother out of the ghetto, you know, work and take care of mother, take her out of the ghetto. If it was like that, which is not. Because mother not there. But yeah, would I do that? So should I just have stayed in the ghetto a little bit till, you know, I can move her out there? Woo! Oh, I'm a mosquito. KK say, would you rather sleep with your sister's boyfriend or go back to your ex? Which one of my sister them answer? Because baby girl. No more to sleep with none of my sister boyfriend them. First of all, my sister boyfriend and my sister boyfriend. And my ex not that bad either. Would I go back to him, of course. Would I go back to my ex? Oh my god. Would I go back to my ex? Yeah, would I go back to him? Shiny Morgan said, would you rather a garbage collector? Would you rather a garbage collector or a man that works at a funeral home to be your man, and why? First of all, I'm afraid I'm dead. And you not gonna finger no dead and then come finger me. Okay? So that's just not gonna work. That's not gonna happen. Second of all, ain't nothing wrong with a man being a garbage collector. At least I'm clean up the place. And nothing wrong with a man who are working at funeral. What the fuck stinks so? Blouse and skirt. Oh, what stinks so? Damn. So, also I forgot to go for my mask. Oh, as my dad said no. Would I prefer that with the would I prefer have the one work at the funeral home for my man, cause no. Would I prefer the funeral home as much as I hate it? No man, something stink like a shit, brother. Blouse and skirt. Sorry guys. T John Entertainment Channel said, my question is, oh, you want to sex? Okay. Thank you, T John. Shout out to you. That is not a would you rather, but shout out to you. I appreciate you commenting under my video, and I appreciate the support and stuff like that. Shawna right also said, would you rather have sex in the lights or in the dark? Basically she said with light or lights off. First of all, ain't nothing wrong with light or dark, but I prefer the dark because I know nobody say my face makeup and stuff like that, and then be real ugly from face makeup. So I prefer that, and not only that, like in the light and you can be like look a bit of shy and stuff like that. So when the light off now, you can't really see you, you just a feel it, you know what I mean? So but I rather with the light off. With the light off. Okay. Basically, that at the end already? I mean, other things didn't know, but then basically just I say, girl, you look nice and stuff like that. They might compliment me and stuff like that. So shout out to everybody who in the comments, and every time I post a video, I'm say, yo, do this, do that, because I'm gonna do this video and I just in the. Shout out to the owner. I appreciate that. Really and truly appreciate that, guys, and I appreciate the love and support you not give me. You know what I'm saying? And today's post notification shout out, as I said, I do post notification shout out. So today post notification shout out go to Hiya Girl Barrett. I hope I say your name right. Hiya Girl Barrett. I'm gonna put her comments on the screen also and stuff like that, guys. She always doing in the comments, whether up on YouTube or my Instagram. She just always there and support me and stuff like that. So yeah. Yeah, guys, that's at the end of the video. So smash the subscribe button, like I said before, comment down below, follow me on my Instagram. I know it's short and whatever, but it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is, because if I answer like most of them questions I want to say, as I said, them nasty, and I'm really not in that, and me not in it, we don't know. So bye y'all.